Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to do the draw on effect for Adobe After Effects. So first what you want to do is you're going to open up After Effects, and as you can see here I'm undoing a few of my brush strokes so that I can show you guys what we're actually going to be doing. Now we're on the screen where I undid my last brush stroke, so we're going to go over to the paint option and change the color to that light blue. Next, we're going to go up to brushes and change our brush to the 19 brush. You can see that I'm changing the hardness to 75. It softens the edges of the brush a little bit, and then I'm changing the diameter to 50 just to make it a little bigger. Next, you're just going to go over and paint on the screen. After we do that, we're going to go back up and use our 9-pixel brush and switch the color back to white for what we're going to be doing. You want to make sure that you're in the layer, because if you're not in the layer of your video to paint, you won't actually be able to do it. So now I'm going to scrub over the spot that I want to edit on, and I'm pausing it where I want my first brush stroke to be applied. You want to make sure that you are on the brush tool in the upper left corner. So once you're on the duration of single frame, which is over in the paint option on the right, you're just going to start drawing onto your layer. And to get onto the next frame, you're going to press Command arrow over. And to go back, you're going to press Command arrow left. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Do something that you like. But I like adding mine on both sides right at the end too, just for a little extra something. Now I'm going to look at what I just edited, and you can see the talking effect in it. For the next effect that we're going to be doing, we're going to scrub over the spot, and what I want to do is write the words on the screen, so too much, no more. For this one, we're going to be changing our duration to custom so that the words stay on the screen for however long we want. And you're just going to do the same thing that you did for the talking effect, but you're writing words. So once you have those words on the screen, you want to take your paint window in the bottom and pull it up just a little bit so that you can see it. To change the duration of your clips, you're going to highlight all of them by clicking the top one, Shift key, and then the bottom one, and dragging it to the side. Next, you're going to do that same motion for the rest of the words that you want to pop on the screen, making sure that they all end at the same place so that they go off of the screen at the same time. After you're done writing the words onto the screen, you're going to go back and watch it to make sure that it's the way that you want it, and then you're done.